All right, folks, more panic in the Bitcoin industry or crypto industry, I would say. So I thought, let's take a step back. Let's analyze it from a longer time frame. Y'all know my main scenario, and I've been talking about that for the past month. I want to indulge another scenario, something I've been looking at this morning, and I may have overlooked this when I was looking at the chart, and it actually provides a pretty good perspective on where we're at in the market. And if this scenario is correct, it actually turns out to be a lot more bullish than I thought, given what we're about to get into today. So this is going to be a little bit longer video. I hope this provides some perspective. So let's jump into the chart. First and foremost, let's analyze the chart. So based on this price action right here, we did have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5 that ended in January of 2025. I think a lot of that was front run by the ETFs. Then we had this weird corrective structure that we've been going on for the past year and a half. And for me, that has always been an expanding flat. For those of you that saw my videos back in the beginning of December all the way until now, I've been talking about this expanding flat correction structure for a while now. I just think I was looking at it from a different perspective. I was looking at it more for the A, B, C starting near the B, rather than from the 5 to the A, the B, and then the C. Either way, it should be bottoming soon based on what I'm seeing. And this structure actually turns out to be a lot more bullish. Because if this is a 5-wave move followed by an ABC correction 2, for me, this would be the major macro wave 1 followed by the wave 2, and we're about to enter the wave 3. For anyone that knows Elliott wave 3 is the most explosive wave, and I have some targets for that, which actually are pretty bullish. So let's jump into the ABC corrective structure to determine, all right, does this fulfill the rules of Elliott wave theory? Okay, now jumping into this expanding flat ABC structure here. I have the fib on here. Essentially what that means is from the wave A, you take the fib extension tool, you take it from the top of wave 5 to the bottom of wave A, and you mark out the 1.618. If wave B retraces higher than the 1.618, that means the expanding flat it's not an expanding flat because it would invalidate that rule. I think we topped at 126, so we didn't go above the 1.618, which would mean this structure fulfills the expanding flat. I've been talking about that now for a couple months. Now let's dive into the fib extensions of the wave A to the wave C to get some more targets. Okay, now let's look at the expanding flat to determine where the bottom of a potential wave C is. In an expanding flat, Elliott wave rules say wave C typically extends 1.618 times the length of wave A. So what you do is you take a fib extension tool, you take it from the top of wave 5 to the bottom of wave A, mark it at the top of wave B, and then you'll see these numbers pop up. And essentially we're kind of sitting pretty close to the extension here. So this would fulfill the expanding flat extension. Typically wave C's hit here. Now let's jump into the bigger picture so we can put everything